Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's Ray of Hope, higher education is fueled by the loss of a parent, a sibling and a home. It's Tojorn Barrington's story of perseverance. Here's Romado Lyons with his story.
Tojorn Barrington, with distinction.
A walk of pride and self-fulfillment to collect a Master of Science in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. But there was a time when he had to walk away from studying.
And I had to just step back. I had to say, look, at this point in time, it's not for me. I need to just take a break. If I'm going to do it, it's not going to be to the best of my ability.
Before that, it was a walk of sacrifice throughout his childhood years. His mother, a single mother, catered to 3 children.
She would have made all the effort to make sure that we're okay. My father passed at around when I was 6, so my little brother didn't know my father.
His mother did everything she could, but some days they had to comb through tough times.
She was a hairdresser, so there were certain times that were very busy for her and we would just not see her. She'd just make it work, so I would have to carry lunch to school sometimes. And if the money that she gave me wasn't enough, I would just give it to my siblings and just know, say, all right, then when I reach a school, somebody will help me out.
The support was always there.
My mother is like my foundation. She is the go-to person, my confidant. I can call her at any point in time.
But eventually, the call stopped getting answered.
And I got a call to say that she was killed in Antigua. And my entire world just stopped.
Studying seemed pointless. Grief was the new syllabus. And it wasn't his lecturers testing him. It was life. But it was this promise that kept him going.
When we were at my undergrad graduation, I would have turned to her and said, look, I love how that red gown look on those students, and I need to be in one. And she asked me what it meant, and I told her PhD, and she said, well, you need to go for it. And I said, all right, I'll go for it and make sure that you are also there to celebrate.
It pushed him, but to say it wasn't difficult would be a lie, because soon after, he lost his brother.
So I would have buried my mom January 16th in 2021, and then my brother would have gotten into a car accident 6 months later. It felt like a part of me died that day, and I think I cried so much that I couldn't even sleep on my pillow the way I did it.
And after that, his home was gutted by flames. The scene he went back to.
There are times when I was like, boy, take me off of the strongest list, God. Please take me off of the strongest soldier list, because it seemed like there's always something happening.
No, he's not only on the strongest soldiers list, he's also on the masters list and in a position to uplift others, navigating rough times.
You know what you are facing and what it will take to get through it. You're not going to always be 100. Sometimes you're not even going to be 50. But you have to find that motivation to push.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Romado Lyons.